Hello guys, right, in this video we are going to discuss chapter 3 and our specific discussion will be on the part of area of a shaded region, where here we are going to deal with the application of integration. Alright, let us look into the section 3.3. Area of shaded region. So here the idea of finding the area is basically we are going to use the integrals to calculate the area, where here we are going to have a unknown shape and we need to determine the integrals that we need to do. So the main formula that we are going to use here is a equals to the integration of a to b for the function of fx dx. So basically, let us try to examine this graph. If you see, you have the function of fx. So the graph y equals to fx basically refer to your graph. And let's say I want to calculate the area of A here. So in order to do that, we are going to find the ends of two values A and B here. So basically A and B refer to the limit of your integrals there. And this is the value of your function with respect to x. So you are going to use this formula. But also the value of A can be written in form of y. But here the function will be fy, and let's say I use here c and d. For example, if you have a graph something like this, let's say you have a function y and x exist. Let's say you have a graph something like this. This is, let's say, this is the value of your x equals to fy. So in order for you to calculate, let's say I want to calculate the area somewhere here. So this is your area. So I will name the limit here as c and d. So if we got this kind of graph, something like this, where your limit now is in the part of y-axis, so you are going to use this formula. Okay, now let us have a look into the example. Okay, let's say here you have the question of area between the graph of negative 1 over 3x cubed plus with 3x, and the x exists over the interval of 0 and 3. So basically what you need to do if you have this kind of question, try to illustrate it into a graph. So in this case, the graph is already given. The graph is already given, so no need for you to sketch it. And basically, because the question says you need to find the area between 0 and 3, so we can say that the value here is 0 and the value here is supposed to be 3. So in order for you to find the value within this curve, what we are going to do, we are going to set up an integrals of it with respect to x, because now our value of limit is between 0 and 3 in part of x-axis. So you can say that the value of our integral should be x with respect to x. And for, if I'm not mistaken, let me write again. The formula is supposed to be a limit between a and b for the fx dx. So the value of a and b here is 0 and 3. So you can put here 0 and 3. So the value of fx is given here, which is negative 1 over 3x cubed plus 3x. So we are going to put here 1 over 3x cubed plus with 3x dx. So you already set up how to find the area of A. So we can have a look into our solution there. So basically we have done with this part. So if you want to eliminate the integrals, you are going to do the operation of integrals. So negative 1 over 3, you keep it. And what happens if you try to integrate x cubed? You are going to get x power of 4 over 4. 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. If you still remember, if you try to integrate x power of k dx, you are supposed to get the answer of x k plus 1 over k plus 1, where the value of k here is constant, plus with c. So here you are going to get the answer of this. 3 here, you keep it again. And what happens if you have x power of 1? So if you try to integrate x to the power of 1 dx, you are supposed to use this formula, which is x1 plus 1. So it will be x1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus c. So you are supposed to get here x squared over 2. So then you get this one, x squared over 2. Okay, try to simplify it, where here you can try to do it by your own, and then substitute the value of 3 into x. So you will 3 power of 4, 3 power of 2, and then don't forget to substitute value of 0 into x. So you are going to get the value of 0. Then you press your calculator, then you are going to get the answer supposed to be 6 multiplied by 3 over 4. This is supposed to be the answer. And you can put a unit for you, which is a unit square. It's up to you whether you want to put the unit or not. Okay, we are going to see another example which is not your module. Let us watch it in another video. Okay, see you in the next video.